Let's discuss the Yin Qiao Mai, Yin stepping vessels, the classical indications. The classic of difficulties, Yang is slack and the Yin tense. Spiritual axis, eyes want to close. Golden mirror of medicine, obstruction of the throat, difficult urination, chest distension, painful urination, berberine, abdominal masses from excessive consumption of alcohol, abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, regurgitation of food, breast abscess, dry stools, difficult labor causing fainting, wind and blood from anus, discomfort in the diaphragm, feeling of lump in the throat. Chapter 17 of the spiritual axis says, the chi of the yin and yang stepping vessels reaches the eyes, moistening them. If chi does not nourish them, the eyes will be unable to close. Chapter 29 of the classic of difficulties says, when the yin stepping vessel is diseased, the yang is slack and the yin tense. This statement is generally thought to refer to the state of the leg muscles. This is yang is slack, means that the muscles of the lateral side of the legs are slack, and yin is tense, means that the muscles of the medial side of the legs are tight. Although this interpretation is correct, it should not restrict a broader interpretation of the above statement. In fact, yang and yin above could also refer to the back and front, head and abdomen, etc. Moreover, they can also be interpreted in a broader sense of the excess of yin. Yin is tense and deficiency of yang, yang is slack. Chapter 21 of the spiritual axis says, if the yang stepping vessel is in excess, the eyes stay open. If the yin stepping vessel is in excess, the eyes want to close. The golden mirror of medicine lists the following symptoms of the yin stepping vessel: obstruction of the throat, difficult urination, chest distension, painful urination, berberine, abdominal masses from excessive consumption of alcohol, abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, regurgitation of food, breast abscess, dry stools, difficult labor causing fainting, wind and blood from anus, discomfort in the diaphragm, feeling of lump in the throat. Case history: a man of 28 suffering from continuous somnolence. This followed a car accident during which he suffered a fracture of the skull. He came to the treatment as he was studying hard for an exam and could not keep awake. The point bladder 62 on the left side was reinforced to stimulate the yang stepping vessel. Kidney 6 on the right side was reduced to drain the yin stepping vessel, and the point bladder 1 was used bilaterally with even method. After only one treatment, the somnolence completely disappeared and he could not actually sleep for 2 days. Yin Qiao Mai function. Yin Qiao Mai brings Jing, body fluids, and nutritive qi to the head and eyes. If the Yin Qiao Mai is deficient, the Yang Qiao Mai has excess and the eyes are open and don't close, and there is insomnia. If the Yin Qiao Mai has excess, the Yang Qiao Mai is deficient and the eyes are closed and unable to open, and there is hypersomnia. The Yin Qiao Mai nourishes the heel, the Achilles tendon, the medial aspect of the leg, lower abdomen, uterus, and eyes. The yin channels guide excess, dampness, and cold in the Yin Qiao Mai, which can lead to stagnation problems in the lower jiao. Yin Qiao Mai symptoms: dry eyes, disturbed sleep, abdominal bloating, pain in abdomen, myoma. Yin Qiao Mai palpation. Palpation along the medial aspect of the thigh along the kidney channel. In addition, check the hip rotators. An imbalance between external hip rotation and internal hip rotation points to an imbalance between Yang Qiao Mai and Yin Qiao Mai. So that's the illustration of palpation. Yin Qiao Mai point pair, confluent point, kidney 6, Ren Mai, focal point. Focal point, lung 7, Ren Mai, confluent point. Yin Qiao Mai disease patterns. The following sample disease pattern can appear similar to Yin Qiao Mai problem and have to be properly differentiated. Damp heat in the bladder, damp heat in the gallbladder and liver. If the patient has insomnia, check also for heart patterns. Damp heat in the bladder, damp heat in the bladder can result as a reaction to damp cold in the bladder. Cardinal symptoms, urinary urgency, painful urination, inhibited urination, disease, decreased amount of urine, cloudy urine, hematuria, sandy urine, acute prostatitis, acute cystitis. TCM information, symptoms, causes, treatment tips, root and branch point combination. Damp heat in the gallbladder and liver. Damp heat in the gallbladder and liver can result as a consequence of yin deficiency. Yin deficiency leads to heat, which causes the spirit to be restless. In order to compensate for the restlessness, the patient may eat dampness producing foods, and damp heat in the gallbladder and liver is a result. Cardinal symptoms, pain and fullness in the hypochondrium, pain in the testicles, jealousy, high-handed manner, jaundice, trouble digesting fatty foods, vaginitis, inflammation of the fallopian tubes, inflammation of the bile duct, inflammation of the gallbladder, bitter taste in the mouth, protrusion of the eyeballs, scrotal eczema with wetting lesions.